Yes, I do.
Hello everyone. Another day, another vlog. Welcome back to our vlog. Mama Mirna at Manay Mirna 5.5. So guess what Nirvana and I will cook for now. It's another day, it's another vlog. So, what is it, Nirvana?
Cooking.
You are mixing for hot cake. So we are making hot cake, but because we are lacking up mga gamit, so we will just have DIY. We don't have waffle maker in here. I don't know where is the waffle maker of mouse. So I am here with my little helper. Nirvana, say hi. Hi, say hi. You said you want to vlog. Hi. Welcome back to Mama's Vlog.
Welcome to Mama's Vlog.
Kumusta po kayo?
Kamusta pa kayo?
So, kumusta po kayo?
Yeah.
So we will now start. Wait, enough na.
Okay.
Just wait. We are adding this one here. So, I don't know if maging ano ito. We are this is yellow hot cake. What is this? Hot cake.
Yellow hot cake. I'm not eating yellow hot cake.
So you're not eating yellow hot cake?
Yes.
So who will eat this? Who will eat the yellow hot cake?
Not eater. I'm not eating them.
So ito na guys, tingnan natin kung makagawa ba tayo ng yellow hot cake. Kasi wala akong makitang yung yung waffle, yung waffle na maker. So nag-improvise lang ako dito. Parang yung nakaraan. Ito nga pala yung ulam namin kanina sa lunch. Munggo. At mayroon dito, nagprito ko ng paksiw. Itong ulam namin kaninang lunch. So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng
I like
hot cake.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you're helping now. Be careful that it will not be waste, ha? Enough na, later naman. So, tingnan natin kung pwede na ito I think hindi pa. Wait muna natin, hindi pa. Baka masyadong yung apoy. Ay, okay, magkakaano adib eh. Magkakasabon. So, ito yung natin, yung minix na flour at saka may egg and then water. Yun lang. Para feel natin yung authentic hot cake talaga siya. Tapos nilagyan ko lang nung pangkulay. Tapos, dito na. At yan si Nirvana, hinuhugasan yung mga ginamit natin. Thank you, Nirvana, for helping Mama. Yan, little helper na yan ni Mama kasi nagwa-wash na siya.
Can you wash the plate?
No, not this one because this is not yet used. You can finish that one in there.
I will wash it.
Yehey! May isa na tayo na nagawang hot cake. Sino ang kakain? Nirvana, who will eat the hot cake?
Mommy.
Mommy, how about you? How about you?
I'm not eating.
You're not eating hot cake?
Yes.
Okay. So, thank you for washing the utensils that we use. Wash your hands na din.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah. It's enough na. You wash your hands na. And then, yehey! One hot cake. Then, gawa ulit tayo ng isa. Nirvana will not eat the hot cake, she said. Ang layo. Ang layo ng kailangan pagpalit. Okay. That's enough, B. It's enough na kay you will be wet. Sige na. Enough na. Mama will do the other. Sige na. Dito na tayo mag-focus sa hot cake. Kumusta na po kayo? Pa rin ako sa Dagami. So, kumusta na? Shout out po sa lahat. Hindi ko na maisa-isa kasi baka matuburan. Maybe I will burn my hot cake. Like shout out to Ma'am Grace, Daisy, sa mga kapatid ko na baka makita ko mamaya magpunta ako ng Burawin. Kay Sir Melvin, kay Mary Ann, at kay Melissa. At sa mga pamangkin ko na magaganda at pogi. Of course, kay Raya, Hannah, at Carl. And then, yung mga anak ko sa Florida na namimiss ko na. At mga apo ko. I love you, Chloe Cloud. See you when I get there. So, andito na yung hot cake. Shout out Tito Kent. I miss you, be. Daddy Nico. Mami Roslyn and Bibi Colin. Francis. Tito Elon in Denver. Of course, my Papa Leo, we are having always a video call. So, ayan na. Magiging...
Can we cook egg?
No, we are done cooking egg in the morning. No egg. Look at the fridge if there is an egg.
No.
So, no egg.
Egg.
It's not the one.
Yeah.
Okay. Later, after I have my pancake, okay? Tataguan na namon ito niya na kataralagihap. So, another. Yan. Dalawa na di man perfect it iya ka. Dere man perfect it iya ka lidong. Pero, at least, naluluto. Pero, waray man kung dito iniha Florida may dako waffle maker. So ngayon lagyan natin ng margarine. Ito ang gustong gusto ko. Namimiss ko ang ganitong hot cake. Tapos ilagay dito sa sugar, then tupiin. Oh my God. Perfect. Nakuha tayo ng lalagyan. Ayan na. Tapos, yung isa naman. Dalawa na. Malikot lang yung camera natin kaya walang humahawak. Wala dito si Chloe. O, ayan. Pangatlo na ito. Ay. So, thank you for watching the Senior Citizen Small Vlog sa Amerika na nakikibaka sa Florida. Ngayon sa Pilipinas, sa Dagami, Leyte. Pero I'm from Burawin, Leyte. Nandito ako sa anak ko. So ngayon, ingat po kayo palagi, ha? Kasi ako, nag-iingat ako. Kasi senior na. At saka makontento na lang tayo. Gaya ko, kahit hindi kompleto yung gamit ko, nakokontento na lang ako. Gumagawa pa rin ako ng cake. Yan, o. Pangatlo na ito. So, another. Siguro 6 ang magagawa ko nito or 7. Paano lang ba? Hindi naman kumakain nito kami lang ni Malen. Si Nirvana, ayaw daw niya kumain. Narinig nyo naman. Tapos si Jim Diet. So, ito yung pangatlo. Lagyan ulit natin ng habang mainit pa para natutunaw yung nagme-melt ang karalami. Uy. Then, lagay dyan. Naghugas kamay pa lang ako kasi bagong ligo. So, ayan, natatlo na sila. Oh my God. So, kain tayo. Perfect. Ang sarap-sarap. Authentic na authentic. Oh my God. Tapos, maya-maya, pagkatapos nito, gawa ako ng mango shake pamaris. Ang sarap. Craving satisfied. Thank you guys for watching. God bless us all. Love you. Nirvana. Say bye-bye to the vlog now.
Bye-bye.
What are you doing?
Eating cake.
Nirvana is eating cake, kaya hindi siya kakain ng hot. Bye! Flying kiss! So, yun lang muna for today, guys. Another day, another vlog. So, a day in my life for in the Philippines. Bye!